I have Samsung Galaxy A05, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on this device. So firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Mobile Hotspot. So just by tapping on it, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. Like you can change its name here, you can change its password, you can change its AP band. You can also in advanced, like change broadcast channel, MAC address type, turn off when no device connects for 5 minutes. You can set your device to be like a hidden network, protect management frames, Wi-Fi sharing. You can also enable this auto hotspot feature, one-time password. You can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.